everyone. Good afternoon. It's past 1 p.m. here and we are here just enjoying the weather. It's a sunny day. So to those who don't know us yet, so I'm the person behind my page, RBA Digital Enterprise, and my name is Rosel. And this is my son. He's also a business owner.
My name is Kirsten.
And today is Thursday. I hope everyone is having a lovely Thursday, a lovely evening or day or morning. So I'll just show you where we are at the moment. Okay. Come here. We are going to walk.
It's like taxi service.
We are here just walking around. It's a sunny day today and plenty of people in the shopping center. I think because it is break time. So we are trying to cross the road, going to the small park. Yes, it's green light. So guys, today is
Day 59.
day 59 of the 90-day challenge. And today
What?
we don't have any specific topic to share with you. It's just a pure
Q&A.
Q&A. So you can ask questions if you have questions about the business. So for all those who are watching us right now, you can comment below for your questions. And for those who are going to watch the replay, you can also do that. You can comment and ask your questions, and I'll get back to you to answer it. So thank you for our viewers. Do you know, guys, today is Thursday, right? And every Tuesday and Thursday,
we have a free webinar.
yes, for more information, so you'll know the more information about the business. That's why we are always having this 2 times a week, Tuesday and Thursday, for a complimentary workshop. And this business is life-changing because there's plenty of people who are already achieved their dreams in life
In only a few years.
Because if you are just going to work from your 9 to 5 or for your day job, so you're not able to do it like retired, quit your job, because the salary is the same all the time. Unlike in business,
It varies. You can earn anywhere from 3 figures to 6 figures
yes,
a month.
yeah,
But you have to work hard for it.
yes, you need to work hard for it.
And you have to be lucky too.
You need to persevere, determined. So as you can see, I think it's a
Break
break time from high school, secondary school. That's why they're going to the center to buy their lunch. Yes, guys. So if you have a question like, is this for me, or can I do this?
register.
Yes, you can definitely do this if you really want something bad enough to change your life. And you need to be determined, to be consistent, to be motivated, and work hard, because there's no business that can earn money if you're not doing anything about it. You just need to give time and effort. Like in at work, before you are going to have your salary, you need to work first, right? So this is everybody can do this, regardless of age, from 18 years old above until 60 years old plus, 60 plus.
As long
So
as your fingers or hands work.
so yes, we had a recent achievement from our team. She's only 21 years old or 23 years old, and she achieved a third milestone on her business while she's studying. And the recent one is 62 years old or 61 years old, from UK. The other one is from New Zealand. This one is from UK. She just uh, achieved her fifth milestone. Imagine, fifth milestone, and she's doing this business for more than 4 years. And she retired since she started this business. Yes, no, since she started this business, she retired from her corporate job of 25 years or 30 years being a manager. Yes. And another one, there's plenty of people who has really changed their lives for the better. Most of them are earning six-figure income.
5 to 6.
Yeah, 5 to 6 figure income,
Every other week.
going on a holiday nonstop,
Buying
buying properties. Yes. This is really life-changing. That's why me and my son are very passionate to share this to everyone in the world. That's why we're doing this business. So, and it's regardless also with your profession. Anybody can do this as long as you are willing to learn. Yes. So guys, hope you're able to ask us some questions later,
And we'll reply to
and
them.
we're going to reply to you guys. I think that's all for today. So today is Thursday, and we're inviting you to watch our,
Free webinar.
yes, you can watch it live. And yes, at tonight at 1 a.m. in UK time and 8 a.m. in Philippine time, and you can Google your time zone. And also, so you can register on my website or on his website. So it's www.rosellampilocchio.com. It's on my bio. And
www.kirstenampilocchio.com.
so you're going to receive an email, and just check this on your inbox. If not in your inbox, you can check the junk or spam folder for the link to watch our live webinar. But if you're not able to watch it, you can also watch the replay, guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you again next time. Bye.